Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're at the winch job, and this was a full pool remodel. You can see got a beautiful new white enclosure up, mansard style roof. We did some hardy board trim on the post. They've done a lot of landscaping too. I'll tell you, this is beautiful. Beautiful coping, ivory travertine. Look at this. Custom coping. We did the bullnose and we got to fabricate the 4x4 on the front. But look at these cuts. Look at this. You just don't see work like this every day. Almost near perfect. Look at that. And then see, we hide the drains. Most people don't care. They'll put that old plastic pool drain out there. They don't care. Let's just look at that old nasty drain. No, we cut the concrete, recessed the drain in there. You can see it hiding. I mean, custom fabricated these little travertine grates so the water can perk down in it and we're not seeing the drain. So anyhow, I just want to give y'all an overview. This beautiful pool remodel. Nice hardy board work, some trim, and on to the next one. Got several of these going on right now. We also added this little fire pit area, and we cleaned all these pavers. Notice how we continued to drain the whole way out. You have to do that. Got to get the water out of here. Everything turned out beautiful. So we'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a blessed day.